Hi guys, Nisi Love Harmon here of What She Creating Enterprises, and today I will be showing you how to insert the bobbin thread or the bottom thread of the Brother XL2600i sewing machine. The first thing you need to do is locate where your bobbin area is. So bobbin area is here. In my last tutorial, I taught you the top threading of the machine, so make sure that that is completed first and have your thread already in the needle and ready to go. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take apart the bobbin case. So we'll use the lever here and we're going to push it to the right and it should flip open. So we'll take this out and put it to the side for a second. And this is where our bobbin is housed, okay? So you take your bobbin, make sure that it is wound correctly and that there are no loops or anything like that. Make sure it's thread correctly. You're going to use your guide here. Okay, so if I line it up, I look at this and I'm just looking at this. I make sure that my thread is coming off the left side like this. It's going to go in the machine and click over. So I cut the machine on. So we'll put our thread in here. One thing that you need to know is there is a piece here, like a silver piece there. Your thread is going to go in between like this plastic and the silver piece. So I'm taking the thread here and I'm taking the thread here. I'm going between this plastic and the silver here, and I'm going to wrap it around like that. And that is how you know that the bobbin is in the machine, because I can pull the bobbin out and now it's attached, okay? So you want to make sure that you do that. In some machines, you can just start sewing with the bobbin with the bobbin just like this. You don't have to actually loop it. But I want to show you the way that I usually complete this, okay? So next thing I'll do is take my hand wheel. So my hand wheel is here, and I'm going to pull it towards me, all right? So I'm going to hold the top thread in my hand. I'm holding it firmly in my left. I'm using the hand wheel. I'm turning it towards me. I'm going down all the way and pulling up. Now, as I pull up, I'm going to jerk, jerk, jerk. And you see that the white bobbin thread is coming up. So I pull the bobbin thread all the way up. Okay, so I pulled that up, and now I have two threads. One thread is coming from the bobbin, and one is at the top. So I take both of these threads, I find the presser foot, and I put it through the middle of the presser foot. I call it the toes of the presser foot, and I push that to the back, okay? Take my bobbin case holder and put that back on, okay, so that it snaps. So thank you for watching this tutorial of how to insert the bobbin thread of the Brother XL2600i sewing machine. So like our video, subscribe to our page on YouTube, follow us on social media, give us your comments and concerns or other video ideas, and happy sewing!